Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to link pages in Figma. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to link pages in Figma, you need to simply open your Figma app. So once you have opened the app, you need to now first copy a link to the desired page by clicking right in its left side panel and selecting the copy link to page option. Then simply select the text or object in the canvas where you want to create the link and go to the right side panel. Now, under the Design tab, simply click the Create Link icon and paste the copied link, and click anywhere on the canvas to apply the changes. Once this is done, you will be able to link pages in Figma. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many exciting videos like this.